Achieving and maintaining glowing skin involves a combination of good skincare practices, a healthy lifestyle, and proper hydration. Here are 10 tips to help you achieve and maintain radiant, healthy-looking skin. 1. Daily cleansing routine. Cleanse your face twice a day, in the morning and before bed, to remove dirt, oil, and impurities that can accumulate on your skin. 2. Hydration. Drink an adequate amount of water throughout the day to keep your skin hydrated from the inside out. This can help maintain skin elasticity and a healthy complexion. 3. Healthy diet. Consume a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and foods containing essential fatty acids, vitamins, and antioxidants. These nutrients can help promote healthy skin from within. 4. Sun protection. Protect your skin from harmful UV rays by using sunscreen with a broad-spectrum SPF of at least 30, even on cloudy days. This can help prevent premature aging and reduce the risk of skin cancer. 5. Regular exercise. Engage in regular physical activity to improve blood circulation, which can help nourish skin cells and keep them vital. 6. Adequate sleep. Get 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night to allow your skin to repair and rejuvenate. Lack of sleep can contribute to dull skin and under-eye circles. 7. Stress management. Practice stress-reducing techniques such as meditation, deep breathing, or yoga, as stress can contribute to various skin issues such as acne and premature aging. 8. Exfoliation. Incorporate exfoliation into your skincare routine to remove dead skin cells and promote cell turnover, revealing brighter and smoother skin. 9. Moisturize. Use a good quality moisturizer suited to your skin type to keep your skin hydrated and supple. Moisturizing can also help create a protective barrier against environmental pollutants. 10. Avoid harsh products. Avoid using harsh chemicals and products that can strip your skin of its natural oils and cause irritation. Opt for gentle, non-comedogenic products that are suitable for your skin type. Remember that everyone's skin is unique, so it's essential to find a skincare routine that works best for your specific skin type and concerns. If you have persistent skin issues, consider consulting a dermatologist for personalized advice and treatment.